Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix no sound in Google Chrome. So as you can see here, if I play video there is no sound. What you need to do here is to first press the three dots here. Then you need to go to a settings, then go to privacy and security, then scroll down to site settings, then scroll down until you see additional content settings, sound, and make sure sites can play sound. If this did not work, then what I suggest to do here is to, if you are on Windows PC, you just need to write and search sound settings. On sound settings, you need to scroll down to volume mixer. And on volume mixer, make sure Google Chrome is not muted here. If it's not muted, then, and it has proper sound here, make sure to reset settings here. And after you reset settings to default, then the audio should work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.